In effort of trying to connect more with the end consumer, Bohyme wants to get out to and talk with the user, because that is the best way of getting information. The benefits of it would be that we across the board can talk about what is important, but also I want to say that since we have social media, we have a lot of YouTubes, we have a lot of information that is awesome. But a lot of it is also not really the 100% truth. So it might be that person's truth, but it's not the truth that should be shared with anybody else. Because like Remy, the word Remy, if you go online, there's a lot of explanations about what is Remy, and it's wrong. To me, it's important that, that you're very clean and proper in your approaches of doing extensions. I have seen so much really terrible stuff and where people have ruined other people's hair. So I feel there is a need of this professional network where I'm not going to be the only one. There will be tons, because there's so many very talented people out there that will have the option of sharing their knowledge. That's why it was important for me to take part of this, is to share my approach, which I know is not always, equals everybody else's, but I would like to share how I see things, but also methods that I could patent it, but to me, this is making, if it makes stylists, hair extension specialists, whatever we call them, life easier, then I would like to share it. So having a professional network is important because we then have more qualified, truthful information. So going forward, Bohyme is much more open than most companies, showing how they are producing their products and so on. So we will get closer and closer and be able to actually have a company that's backing us up, but also are developing. My suggestion is that even if you are not a Bohyme fan as I am, absolutely join this professional network because you can learn a lot. I'm not saying that everybody else should have it that way, but I definitely that we will be able to share with each other. And there are so many methods out there. I do over 25 methods, right? So we can share with each other. We don't have to necessarily make them to be our own. We can share them and then we can build on that. So it will be a good way of building blocks for the future, but they will be truth and honest, and that is what we need in this industry.